Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I am going to guide you through how you can save your story on Snapchat.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Please log into your account if you have not already. After that, tap on your profile icon and now scroll until you can find the My Story option. After that, tap on the three dot icon beside the story. Now, tap on the Save Story option. Again, confirm your action. And that's it. This is how you can save the story of yours on Snapchat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.